everyone, my name is Shital Sandip Kude. I am studying in B.SC. third year from Adarsh Education Society, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Hingole. Today I want to represent operator delta. Consider a function y equal to f of x. Consider a consecutive values of x differing by h, a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, dash 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 etc. The corresponding values of f of x are f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus 3h, dash 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 etc. The values of independent variable is called the argument, and the values of the dependent variable corresponding to that argument is called entry. The difference between the consecutive values of the independent variable is called the interval of a differing. These are some basic definitions of defining delta. The difference f of a plus h minus f of a, f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h, f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h, dash 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 etc. are called first difference of function y equal to f of x. Denoted this function by f of delta f of a, delta f of a plus h, delta f of a plus 2h, dash 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 etc. We have delta f of a equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Delta f of a plus h equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h. Delta f of a plus 2h equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h. Delta f of a plus 3h equal to delta f of a plus 4h minus f of a plus 3h, dash 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 etc. The difference of this first difference are called a second difference and are denoted by delta square f of a, delta square f of a plus h, delta square f of a plus 2h, dash 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 etc. We have delta square f of a equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a. Delta square f of a plus h equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h. Delta square f of a plus 2h equal to delta f of a plus 3h minus delta f of a plus 2h. Delta square f of a plus 3h equal to delta f of a plus 4h minus delta f of a plus 3h, dash 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 etc. The difference of this second difference are called a third difference and are denoted by delta cube f of a, delta cube f of a plus h, delta cube f of a plus 2h, dash 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 etc. We have delta cube f of a equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a. Delta cube f of a plus h equal to delta square f of a plus 2h minus delta square f of a plus h. The difference of this third difference are called fourth differences and are denoted by delta raised to 4 f of a, delta raised to 4 f of a plus h, delta raised to 4 f of a plus 2h, dash 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 etc. From this we can define in general form, that is delta raised to n f of a equal to delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus h minus delta raised to n minus 1 f of a. Delta raised to n f of a plus h equal to delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus 2h minus delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus h. Delta raised to n f of a plus 2h equal to delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus 3h minus delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus 2h, dash 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 etc. Delta square f of a equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h minus f of a plus h plus f of a equal to f of a plus 2h minus 2 times f of a plus h plus f of a. We can also define delta cube f of a, that is delta cube f of a equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a. Then we put the values of delta square f of a plus h and delta square f of a. That is delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h minus f of delta f of a plus h plus delta f of a equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h minus 2f 2 times f of a plus 2h plus 2 times f of a plus h plus f of a plus h minus f of a. We get the value, that is f of a plus 3h minus 3f of a plus 2h plus 3f of a plus h minus f of a. From the above definition, we take the problem, that is evaluate delta cube into 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x. Solution of this problem is f of x equal to 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x. We consider the f of x equal to this. Then we solved it. 1 minus 2x minus x plus 2x raised to 2 into 1 minus 3x equal to 1 minus 3x plus 2x square into 1 minus 3x. Then multiply above equations. We get 1 minus 3x minus 3x plus 9x raised to 2 plus 2x square minus 6x cube. F of x equal to minus 6x raised to 3 plus 11x square minus 6x plus 1. We get the value of f of x. Then this put in equation. We get delta cube f of x equal to delta cube into minus x cube. Then the formula, we get value from the formula, that is delta raised to n f of x equal to an factorial h raised to n. Then put the all values in this formula. We get 36 into h raised to h cube. Then we get the final value of delta cube f of x equal to minus 36, where h equal to 1. Thanks for watching this video.